unlimited, guys. This is totally for free, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it.
Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get CarBridge. So this lets you use YouTube in your car. So as you can see, we got all the settings here. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and you can see with the apps. So you just press apply device. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So all you have to do is go to settings, keep low power mode off. So now go to matrixmods.com. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on Matrix Mods, just go to the search bar and type in CarBridge, and as you can see, should come straight up, and go ahead and press on it. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store, and then this will install CarBridge into your device. So let's just wait for it to load. So as you can see, guys, it says like missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps. They're all free. Like Underdog Fantasy says down run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. You know, DraftKings, Travel Town, so there's tons of them. Also, if you press help, you can watch a video here. So super cool, guys, but that's how I get it for your device. So you get all these settings in here, you know, YouTube files, you know, it's crazy. And you can see here we got the Wi-Fi networks, which is super cool. You got Bluetooth. So it is actually working, guys, for your device. So be sure to try it out if you want to get CarBridge installed. I haven't had any problems with this at all. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get CarBridge. It's all these apps here. So super cool, matrixmods.com. And yeah, it doesn't really require a jailbreak or anything, which is wild. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, if you want to get CarBridge on your phone, definitely go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out, gang.